Hello, my name is Jahari Guevara. Thank you very much for joining me in this review of ClickFunnels. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the platform and giving you my honest opinion on whether it's a good fit for small business owners. And this is my opinion from just a couple of minutes just searching around the software and really trying to figure out what's ClickFunnels all about. When I first clicked on the link to access the platform, it took me about 5 minutes to get inside the software. This was because I had to enter my credit card information and fill out my contact information, which that's not something that normal softwares, well, I shouldn't say normal, but that's not what the industry standard softwares are doing right now. They're offering more of a try out the software without submitting your credit card information or your contact information. Just really enjoy the software and see if you like it, then go ahead and use it. So that's what the normal market does. ClickFunnels is not that method. They want you to go ahead and submit your credit card information and contact information. Overall, I found the platform to be very simple and clean, which is great for beginners. However, there are also higher level settings that can make it confusing for beginners to set up correctly. While advanced developers may find the options to be too limited. In terms of features and capabilities, ClickFunnels offers basic industry standard tools. However, the more excuse me, the more advanced features that will allow for the more advanced features that will allow for higher level development are really lacking. I also have concerns about the location of the data storage, as the data is not easily fetchable unless a task is triggered and the data is sent from that point of view. So therefore, it's very difficult to go ahead and fetch information. You're able to go ahead and access your information from the dashboard, but it's really difficult to go ahead and create a process that allows the process to fetch information. So for example, if you have another funnel or another entry point that your customers could be able to enter, it'll be very difficult to go ahead and fetch to see if they've already been in your process, or if they've already been through your sales process or your funnel, or what stage of your sales pipeline they're in. So it's very difficult to be able to get that. So it requires a little bit more strategy thinking. This is where a more higher developer, not really a niche developer in ClickFunnels, is able to go ahead and do. So I found ClickFunnels to be very easy to go ahead and use, but I don't feel that the cost of the software is justified based on the features it offers. Additionally, I had a hard time finding any customer support for the platform. In my opinion, the pros of ClickFunnels are really applicable to those who are part of the funnel ecosystem. If you follow their techniques and watch their videos, you might enjoy using the software. However, as a business owner, I found that a lot of the time and effort was required, or is actually required, to understand the software. And if that's the case, there are other tools that can do the same thing with a similar learning curve, but at a lower cost. Additionally, if you have more complex ideas that you want to build out in ClickFunnels, you'll likely need to hire a niche developer, such as what I just mentioned previously. In terms of alternatives, it's not difficult to find other options out there that can suit what ClickFunnels is able to go ahead and do. Personally, I would not recommend ClickFunnels to small business owners due to the time and effort that it requires to be able to go ahead and learn. So the learning curve is it's the same whether you use ClickFunnels or a different software. And for that reason, I would not recommend it to business owners. So for my advice, this software really belongs, or actually is a very useful tool for agencies, but it's not a good fit for business owners. If I were to be able to go ahead and speak to the developers of ClickFunnels, or the people that are able to go ahead and kind of improve the customer experience within ClickFunnels, my only suggestion will be for ClickFunnels to be able to incorporate analytics and gamify a dashboard to help users meet goals. So for example, they currently already have an analytics dashboard, which is completely fine and it's perfectly, but it would be nice to be able to go ahead and have a dashboard that could be able to gamify the whole experience within ClickFunnels. Therefore, we could go ahead and kind of see how many funnels we have open, how many funnels are live, how many templates we have created, how many funnels have been deleted. I believe the previous ClickFunnels version probably had a similar dashboard. I'm not able to go ahead and remember. It's been so long since I've been able to go ahead and kind of interact with the software, but I would have more of a gamified process in the analytics dashboard and not really pertaining to the installation of ClickFunnels, but more of a method for the user to be able to go ahead and see how well they're using the software. So we could go ahead and kind of have the different features or any settings set up to be able to go ahead and set up the campaigns. Are they set up correctly? How many workflows are working properly? How many those kind of analytics, but within a template that's already in default. That will be very visually appealing. That will gamify the whole process. I think that will be a very good addition within this version of ClickFunnels. So that's just all my opinion. I really do hope that you got any some feedback from, or actually good information from my review. If you have any further questions, just feel free to go ahead and comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and contact you or actually reply to your comment. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.